Hello, students. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Now the topic is it is more comfortable. It is more comfortable. Let's start. Empecemos. Let's start. First of all, read the postcard. Vamos a leer el postcard. We are going to read the postcard and then we are going to underline or circle the comparative form. Okay, let's start. sorry. Hi, everyone. I am traveling. I am traveling in Washington, D.C. This city is bigger than my hometown. I like it so much because the transportation is more comfortable. The buildings are more modern and there are more interesting things to do here. I can see more expensive cars in the streets. I think it is more difficult to move around because it is noisier and the people are busier. Love, Louis. And this is Washington, D.C., the White House. Can you see in the picture? It's the White House in the USA. Okay, now let's analyze. What words did you find in the comparative form? A ver, let's see. Come on. The number one, for example. Yes, bigger than, excellent. The other word, more comfortable, yes, correct. More modern, yes. More interesting, perfect. More expensive, correct. More difficult, yes. Noisier, yes. And busier, excellent. Now let's analyze. Bigger than means más grande que, ¿no? La ciudad es más grande que el pueblo en el que yo vivo, dice my hometown. I like so much because the transportation is more comfortable. Comfortable means cómodo. The buildings, los edificios, ¿no? The buildings are more modern. Son más modernos, more modern, more interesting things to do here. Y más interesantes, ¿no? Hay más cosas interesantes que hacer aquí. I can see more expensive cars in the streets. Expensive cars means caros, ¿no? Costosos. More difficult, más difíciles, ¿no? I think it's more difficult to move around. Es más difícil de moverse por este lugar, ¿no? And because the people is noisier and busier. Las personas son más ruidosas y ocupadas. Good. Now let's continue. Now we have to read again and answer the questions. Who writes the postcard? Correct, Luis. And where is he traveling? He's traveling in Washington, D.C. What does he say about transportation? Comfortable. It is more comfortable. Buildings are more modern. Very good. They are more modern. Cars, they are more expensive. The city, Washington, is bigger and the people, they are busier, no? The people are busier. Correct, the students. Now let's continue. Now we have to look at the pictures. We have the cinema, $8, and we have the theater, $25. Now let's compare. Use the words from the word bank. Popular, modern, important, expensive, interesting, and comfortable. The cinema is more popular than the theater. Yes. And the theater is more expensive than the cinema. The cinema is more modern than the theater. And the cinema is more comfortable than the theater. The theater is more important or interesting than the cinema. And the cinema is more interesting or important than the theater. That's about your opinion, no? It's about your opinion. Now let's continue. We have to match these words, okay? And then we have this vocabulary. In the number one, it's a bucket. In the number two, it's a laundry basket. In the number three, it's a washing machine. Number four, a broom. Number five, a laundry detergent. Number six is an iron. 7, clothespins. Number 8, vacuum cleaner. Number 9, it's an ironing board. Number 12, it's a dustpan. It's a dustpan, no? Okay, students, good job. Now we have the project. In the project, we have to make a kind of puzzle, no? Look at this. We have to cut this into pieces. Then we have to order the puzzle. Yes, the utility room. And then after that, we have to label the names, no? Label the names of each object. For example, the broom, the dustpan, the mop, the laundry detergent. And then we have to compare. For example, it is more expensive than, and we can say that the vacuum cleaner is more expensive than the iron, for example. Practical and popular too, okay? The example is, look, there is a vacuum cleaner. Yes, it is more modern than a broom. It is more modern than a broom, okay? That is part of your project. Now, it's time to say thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.